Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Member for the question. The Ministry, through the Water Authority of Fiji, plans to build new and improve on and continue existing rural schemes for the 2023-24 financial year. The government, through Water Authority of Fiji, plans to continue rural existing schemes. A budget of 4.2 million is allocated for 34 rural projects planned for the year, which will ensure improved access for potable drinking water for 36 villages, benefiting a rural population of 4,150 people across 7 provinces nationwide. These projects also include some ecological purification systems, EPS projects, that ensure clean drinking water is provided for these communities. The projects are currently under preliminary works and construction will commence by December 2023. Water Authority of Fiji will also continue with their rainwater harvesting program with a budget of 0.5 million. These services include free delivery of over 200 by 2,500 litre water tanks to these remote and rural communities, with arrangements to also build the base for water tanks. There is allocation of 3.1 million to continue to provide water cutting services to communities in non-metered areas on a fortnightly basis, plus also in emergency situations such as we have discussed this morning. So to add, we have had budgetary constraints and are in serious discussions too with development partners and CSOs such as Rotary Water to work closely in expanding and hastening the rural water services, given the urgent need and high-risk situations we face. This will also come in the sphere of climate financing, and that is an area I'm focusing on to in the reform within the ministry, in order for us to closely work with our development partners and to meet their compliance in formatting in terms of proposals and concept notes which will need to be done in order to meet their requirements as we move forward. Because at the moment, the need is there, but there are budgetary constraints, and we need to supplement the national budget with our own efforts to engage development partners, especially in the area of water services.